Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to streamline your certificate generation process using Google Forms and Word's mail merge feature. You might have tried Free Certifier or Certify M, but it has its own limitations. Let us get started. Here I have a Google form which was circulated for a quiz competition in December 2020, and we have gathered 405 responses. What I want to do here is to issue certificates to these 405 participants. I already have a template of certificate ready. Let me show you that. I have kept the certificate very simple just for the demo purpose. So it says that this is to certify that Mr. and Miss of class so and so, roll number so and so has participated in the competition, in the quiz competition, and scored dash. Now let me put it behind and I'll go back to the Google form. So here we have the Google form. Now let me first view this in Sheets. I'll be quickly downloading this file in Excel format. So we have Microsoft Excel here. So files, download Microsoft Excel. Let us save it in the desired folder. I'll be saving it here. Now we do not need Google Forms anymore. Let us just close. Let us close Google Chrome now. So on to Microsoft Word. We are going to use a feature known as mail merge, which is going to make our work a lot simple. To access mail merge, you need to go on the ribbon, click on mailings, and here you can see that there is a group called Start Mail Merge. You can select on Start Mail Merge, and you will see that there are a number of options. Let us go with step by step Mail Merge Wizard. So here you can see that we have a navigation window on the right. There are in all 6 steps. So we are on to step 1 of 6. The first one is select document type. So what type of documents are you working on? We can do mail merge for letters, email messages, envelopes, labels, and directories. Let me select letters and then come on to next, starting document. Now we already have a template set up for ourselves. So we need to select use the current document. Go to step 3, that is select recipients. Now it is asking us to select recipients. You could type a new list, you could select something from Outlook contacts. We already have an Excel file downloaded earlier, so we are going to use that. Click on browse to access that file. So this is the file which we have downloaded. And it is asking you to select the table. So in that particular Excel file, there was only one table and that is listed here. And on the bottom, you can read out that first row of data contains column headers. So we have a check on that because yes, our data contains column headers. Click OK. And then it is asking you to select the mail merge recipients. So we want to issue to everyone. So we will keep all the check boxes. Also below you can see that you could refine recipient list. You could either sort them, filter them, find duplicates, and many more options. Click on OK. Now step 4, write your letter. In this particular section, I want the name of the student to turn up, and then here I want the class, the roll number, and followed by the score. So first we'll just select this section. We'll come on to the ribbon mailings. Under mailings, you can see that there is a group of write and insert field, and in that we have a button for insert merge field. So I'll click here, and these are the column headers which were there in your Excel file. We'll select from your name of the students. You can see that it is formatted differently. Now coming to class, so let us see class. Now here we do not have class. Since all of our students were from the same class, I could manually type it as F5 BCom. Now roll numbers. We have a column for roll number. Select roll number and just keep a check on the spacing. Since you can see that there is no spacing between number and hash, so this is how the certificate will get printed. So I'll put up a space over here. Has participated in the quiz competition and scored. So for the score, we have a column. Here it is the score. We could select score and then we need a full stop. You could do the formatting to this. So for let's say I want these things to be underlined and bold. So I could do that. I could also underline the class. The roll number and the score. Let's say I also want to bold the score. So our letter is ready. Now you can go on to step 5, that is preview your letter. So you can see that the preview your letter recipient 1. Recipient 1 in our Excel list was Baroda Wala Ria of class FI BCom roll number 9, has participated in the quiz competition and scored 8. Now you can see that there is a little formatting issue, so we need to take care of that. So we'll go back on to step number 4 by clicking on previous, and here we are going to mark the changes. So let me put up the justified alignment for everything, and I think it is fine now. Let us go again to preview your letters. So now you can see that we have, this is to certify that Mr. Miss, the name of the student of class, the roll number, has participated in the quiz competition and scored 8. So likewise, you can keep a check on all the recipients, and if you find out that there is some corrections which you could make, you can do it individually. For example, for this student, you can see that the name is not capitalized. We could capitalize that individually. And we have 405 students, so there will be 405 certificates which will be generated. So now I'll go ahead and come on to step number 6, that is complete the merge. And same over here we have that, so I'll just click on complete the merge, and then it is asking me to print or to edit individual letters. Let us just click on print. So print records, let's say you want all 405, keep it all. If you want the current record, that is only this particular student, that is 3, page number 3, or you could select a suitable range of your convenience. Now I'll click on OK. So I'll keep the default settings on, and I'll click on OK. You need to select the print output where you want the PDF to be stored. So let's say I want it to be stored over here. So I'll just give it a title, certificate mail merge. And since it is 405 pages, it is going to be a little time consuming depending on the type of system you are operating on. So let us wait. I'll just fast forward this. The only negative thing about this is that it doesn't even gives us the process, like how many pages have been printed. So you don't know that when it is going to end really. And we are done. I'll minimize this and open the PDF. Let us see how it has been. And you can see in the recent file it is certificate mail merge, and we had saved it on desktop. So I'll open from desktop. And here we have. So you can see we have page 1 of 405, and all the certificates have been successfully generated. I hope this video helps you to generate certificates quickly in a short span of time. Thank you so much for watching till here. If you think that the video helps you, do like the video and also subscribe my channel.